ದುರ್ಗಾಂಬಿಕೆಯ ಬಲಗೊಂಡು ಭಕ್ತಿಯೋ ಅಂಬಿಕಾದುತ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜನ ಹಿರಿದು ಸಂಸ್ತುತಿಸಿ ಅಂಬುನಿಧಿಯ ಆತ್ಮಜಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು ಅಂಬುಜಾಸನವಾಣಿಯರ ಅಂಬುಜಕ್ಕೆ ಬಡಬಡುದ ವರ್ಣಿಪೆನಿ ಕಥಾಮೃತವ
ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಲುಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ.
ಕಾಡಿನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ದಿಕ್ಕಿನ ಬೆಗಬೇಟೆಯನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮದಿಂದ ಆಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ತಾಯಿ.
ಅವಳ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಪದ್ಮಾವತಿಯೊಡನೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹೋಂಡ ದೇಶವಂತೆ, ಆಕಾಶರಾಜನೇ ತಂದೆಯಂತೆ, ಧರಣಿದೇವಿಯೇ ತಾಯಿಯಂತೆ ಮೂರು ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳ ರೂಪ ಲಾವಣ್ಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುವುದಾದ್ರೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತನಾಗಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ತಿದ್ದಿ ತೀಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವತಿ ಕನ್ಯಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪದ್ಮಾವತಿಯನ್ನು ಮದುವೆಯಾಗಲು ಮನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ತಾಯಿ.
ಯಾವ ಶುಭ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡಿಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ಯೋಗ ಭಾಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿಬೇಕು. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಪದ್ಮಾವತಿಯ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ನಡೀತದಂತಾಯ್ತು. ನಿನ್ನ ಆಸೆಯನ್ನು ಈಡೇರಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತೋಂಡಾದಿಷ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತೇ.
ನಮೋ ನಮಃ.
Namaste friends. My name is Raksha. I have my own creations called Krishnamaya Creations, where I do all my art and craft. I am a very ardent and a passionate creative thinker who wants to explore all kinds of arts. So just to show you a piece of my work, here it is. So these are torrents that I've done, which you can hang on your walls, as decoration and for your doors. And these are hair accessories. These are torrents which can be used for your doors and as wall decorations. This is a hair accessory where I have kept these stones individually on a sheet of paper and then cut it and have made it. This is also an hair accessory. This also as well. This is used with those wires which we use for making flowers and all. And this is your Gejje Vastra, what they say, which is used in your festivals mainly. So I have made 2 of them, and this is reusable. You will not have to throw it. This is reusable, or you can permanently candle holders. These are Sesham wood tea light candle holders. Sesham wood is actually next to teak wood. It is as good as teak wood and has it attracts positive energy as much as teak wood does. So this is called Sesham wood. So this carving has been done, on which painting has been done by me. These are tea coasters. I have made different designs. This is the Aqua World themed tea coasters. I have made different designs in this, all stone studded, which gives you a very premium look. You can see how premium and shiny they are to look. So how do you use them is just, you can use them to keep your teacup on top of this, and for closing your teacup when you have coffee or tea in it. And this ceramic coffee mug was painted by me. This I have used mandala art here, mandala dot art, to paint this mug.